Hi, I'm Rami. Today I'll show you a special home decor furniture that can also help you earn gold. Before we start, don't forget to like and share. The furniture I'm talking about is the cash register. The cash register is small, easy to place at home, and non-diable. Players can give small coins through it, and the owner can collect them. Tap here to insert gold into the cash register. Here you can see the cash register's front display. It shows how much gold is stored inside. Tap here anytime you want to withdraw gold from the cash register. It also works as a savings storage, where we can save our gold in the cash register. Now I'll show you where to purchase the cash register. It's purchased from Bob. Tap on track and it will lead you to the furniture store. Let's head over to the furniture store. Tap on Special Home Decor Store and scroll up until you see the cash register. Here it is. You can buy the cash register for 70 wishing stars. We can also save gold for this super exciting upcoming update. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Heartopia guides and updates.